A 2 mini pocket printer operation video. Step 1. Power on the printer. Long press the power button for 3 seconds. The red light will illuminate, indicating that the power is successfully on. Step 2. Place the roll paper. Put in the roll paper. Place the roll with the print side facing the print head. The paper roll's end should extend outside the machine. Close the cover. The green light will indicate successful placement. Step 3. Download LuckJingle app. Search for LuckJingle in the App Store to download the app. Step 4. Connect the printer via Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth on your phone is turned on while opening the LuckJingle app. Click the printer icon in the upper right corner to jump to the Bluetooth page. Then find the A2 Bluetooth signal. Click Connect and the blue light on the printer will indicate successful pairing. Here are the printing effects of label paper and stickers.